Let's review the Makita coffee maker. How fun is this little thing? So what you do is you get a battery. The battery goes in. You lift up the little water tank area. There we go. And we're gonna fill that with water. We're outside. Drop that in. Close the lid. You can order these little pods. This is Colombian coffee, of course. So you get the pod this side down. So put it down in there. There is another one of these for coffee grinds. So that goes in. It comes with a cup. It's got a nice handle on it. A little lid for the drip. That goes in there. Hit start. I keep this thing in my car so I don't have to stop at a coffee shop and I can have coffee whenever I want.